Hello dear friends, today I am in Belgrade and I am with Branislava. Hello, how are you?
Hello and welcome to Serbia.
Thank you. And she helped me a lot in the business purpose. We visited some companies, it was very nice, and in this part of our day we will have some visits and we will see some nice parts of Serbia, Belgrade. So she will help us. Let's see what we will see.
There is a lot of places in Serbia when you come here to visit. This is the main town in Serbia. The name is Belgrade, and today we are starting from the main street in Belgrade, Knez Mihailova.
Knez Mihailova, huh?
You can see that this street is full of boutiques, buildings, hotels, restaurants, branding boutiques.
It's very similar to like Taksim in Turkey, right?
Yes. That is what I just want to say. It's very similar like Taksim in Istanbul.
I guess you've been in Istanbul and you like that areas a lot. I heard a couple times, right?
Yes, I was. It was wonderful.
Okay. So can you give us a little bit information about Serbia and Belgrade?
Yes, I will give you some numbers. Like Serbia population is about 7-8 million people. In Belgrade there is about 2 million people live here. Serbia have the biggest town like Belgrade, Novi Sad, Subotica, Niš, Čačak. So beautiful nature, beautiful food, you can try it, and most important, welcome people.
Very nice. And what do you think about Turkey, and how often do you come to Turkey?
4 or 5 last year I working with a Turkish company and travel a lot here and there, so I can give you the best advice if you want to find some good materials for PVC and windows, doors, like profile, glass, and everything you need. You can find for good quality and good price.
Okay, and one more thing. If someone starts exporting new, or he's in export department of a company, what do you suggest? What type of things that you experience in your life? Just if someone watch this video, what he can or she can get from your experience?
Of course, Serbian is open for new business corporation and open for new ideas. But if you're starting business and want to work with Serbia, it will be good to have somebody you know here. It can be easier for you to guide you, to give you information and good advice for every kind of business you're doing.
And even Branislava, I can tell you that in my 10 years experience, export is very nice and a very attractive area for me. If you have some language skill and if you have some good contacts, you can start business, then step by step you can build up a very good environment all over the world. You can have nice friends, and for example now I came here and I just called you and you just took me somewhere else for business reason and travel reason. It's very fun of me that I'm very happy I can do whatever I want. I feel as if I am in Turkey with you guys. So that's very nice. If you do export, you better have some friends all over the world, and it makes you very powerful. That's my experience. What do you think?
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm glad you feel like that, being here and being with us. Every time you need our help, we are here. From the top 10 place you have must see when you're coming to Serbia, this is the one. This is the Kalemegdan Fortress.
Kalemegdan Fortress.
Yes, Kalemegdan Fortress. And she got the name from the Turkish from Calais, what is mean fortress, and Maidan, what is a battlefield. So this fortress was in a military purpose for defense, and somewhere in the middle of the 19th century she became the biggest national park. So you can see full of trees and color.
Well, and we will see if we walk around Duna here.
Yes, and you can see this around this fortress is river Dunab and Sava.
Ah, Dunab, yes. Okay, let's see then.
And like I said, we are now in the Kalamagdan fortress, and you can see the river in the bottom of his walls.
Wow. So the two river combining here, right?
Yes, Sava and Dunab.
Let's see. And this area is very historical. I really liked it. I really liked it.
Yes, they have a large history dating from the 16th, 17th centuries when this was a military forces, and in that time they changed from Turkish conquer to Austro-Hungarian, and from the time they changed the owner.
This is perfect place, and this is real history, huh? Wow. And as you said, this is Sava and Danube is coming from there, and they are combining here, huh?
Yes.
Wow.
And they are going together to the Black Sea.
Black Sea. And this is the area of old city, huh?
This is the area of the old city, but you can see from our left side now the new Belgrade. New architecture, new buildings, and I will take you for another top 10 places you have to see.
It's perfect. This view is perfect. I believe during the summer this area is very crowded with tourists, I guess, huh?
Yes, and very colorful.
The good thing for me now, during our history class in Turkey, we have a lot of time that, okay, Serbia, Belgrade, this war, and everything now in front of me, and I'm a little bit like, I'm having some flash in my brain.
Yes, I like history and I like to travel in the past. I like to learn about the people, cultures, and nationality, and everything what is about that.
And the good thing for me also, if you go outside, for example, some business reason, if you are an exporter, if you are working as an export person in a company, the good thing for you, if you can have any chance after works, as I did now, you can visit some historical place, you can see some cultural facts, so that it's gonna give you much more idea about that country, and it's gonna make you much more successful in the area.
That's right, you're correct.
Okay, thank you very much.
You see, it's the middle of the 18th centuries.
Okay, Damat Ali Paşa Türbesi. It's very nice in Belgrade, and people, they just saving the history, which is very nice. I like it. And we do the same, I guess, in Turkey. We are trying to save all that historical stuff, so it's good for remembering the past.
Last time we was in Novi Sad and we visit Petrovaradin fortress. Like you see here, said that Ali Pasha was murdered in a Petrovaradin fortress, and he was buried here in Belgrade, Kalamagdan.
Oh, it was in Novi Sad, right?
Yeah, he was killed in Novi Sad.
Okay. Thank you for your information.
From our left and right side, you see some military guns. Actually, I don't like to talk about that. I don't know much, but you
okay.
can see it.
Okay, very nice.
And yes, I remember last thing to tell you. The second name of this fortress, Kalamengdan Fortress, they also call her Feçir Bayır.
Feature buyer, you mean?
Feçir Bayır. It means mountain for thinking.
Oh, it means it makes you relax and stuff like that?
You can come here and in a peace to think.
Super. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Here we are. Every time when my good friends coming from Turkish, I want them to feel like at home. So I want to show you what I mean from that.
Let's
Come
see.
on.
Restaurant Cultura.
Yes. Follow me.
Yes.
Can you hear? They're speaking in Turkish.
Aha, very nice.
Welcome to the Turkish
Merhaba,
restaurant.
kolay gelsin. Nasılsınız? Ablamız bizi getirdi buraya. Bakalım neler göreceğiz.
Rezervasyonlu. İsterseniz bu salona alayım sizi, böyle ağırlayayım isterseniz.
Okay. Let's go this way. Kolay gelsin.
So welcome.
Thank you.
This is the second place I want to show you in Belgrade. Like you can see behind me is a Kalamengdan Fortress we'll visit today. It's getting dark, but I want to show you the Belgrade on the water. Behind me also you can see the building made from glass. It's a new building, new architecture, new standard of building. Right of here you can see the shopping mall, cafes, walking area, and in front it's a Belgrade Bridge on the Sava River, and he connects the old Belgrade and new Belgrade.
And it means we are in New Belgrade, right?
No, we are on old.
Old. We are in old. Yes, you're right. And the opposite side.
It's a new Belgrade.
New.